National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Cook County and northeastern Illinois, northeastern DeSoto County and northeastern Illinois, northeastern Will County and northeastern Illinois. This includes the city of Joliet until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 5:15 p.m. Central Standard Time, the National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a confirmed tornado 6 miles southeast of Minoka, moving northeast at 55 miles per hour. Locations in the warning include Minoka, Channahon, Joliet, Lockport, Romeoville, and Lamont. In addition, this storm is capable of producing golf ball-size hail and damaging winds over 75 miles per hour. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a piece of sturdy furniture such as a workbench. If no basement is available, find shelter on the lowest floor of the building. Remember to avoid windows, to avoid any glass breakage. If you are in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors, find the nearest ditch, and put your hands over your head, to avoid any flying debris. Please report any damaging winds or hail to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-888-268-3135. A tornado watch remains in effect for northeastern Illinois and southeastern Wisconsin until 8 p.m. Thursday evening.